Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Unlock Therapy. In today's video, I'll show you how to put your iPhone XS or XS Max in recovery mode. This can be a lifesaver if your phone is stuck, not responding, or you need to restore it through iTunes or Finder. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Turn off your iPhone. First up, we need to turn off the phone. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears, then slide to power off. Step 2. Connect to a computer. Next, grab your lightning cable and connect your iPhone XS to a computer. If you're on Windows or an older Mac, open iTunes. For macOS Catalina and later, use Finder. Step 3. Enter recovery mode. Now let's put your iPhone in recovery mode. With your iPhone connected, do the following. Press and release volume up, then press and release volume down. Now, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen pops up. It'll show a cable icon and the iTunes or Finder logo. Step 4. Use iTunes Finder to update or restore. Once your phone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it. You'll get two options: update if you want to reinstall iOS without deleting your data, or restore if you want to wipe everything and start fresh. Two quick tips. If your iPhone exits recovery mode on its own, just repeat the steps. And make sure your iTunes or Finder is up to date so you don't run into any compatibility issues. And that's it. You've got your iPhone XS in recovery mode like a pro. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.